Hey Devin, this is Milestone11. Um, so I'm gonna do a passwordless login into my Super 5 Ubuntu, and there we go. And we can do a if, oops, not that, IP adder. Yeah, there's my IP and a ping to Google, which also works. And so in the deliverable, you said to do it to my IP, but in the video you did it to Super 5, so I'm just going to do both to show that they both work. So my IP is 3.15, and it's also passwordless login into my Super 5. Alright, so I just finished the install of Docker, and I just ran a Docker hello world, and it looks to have worked. Installation is working correctly. Okay, so I just added a new user called benadmin. And so it's in the ADM, sudo, and Docker groups. Alright, so I installed Docker Compose and I ran it, and the version is 127.4. Okay, so I did everything with SHFS, and I'm going to do a quick test. So a quick test for demo, and then if I save, where's the save button? Save all. So I'm inside the mount right here, Super 5 mount, you can see that. And so I do a quick test, and in the SSH, I should be able to cat and see, yeah, a quick test for the demo. So it all worked.